Hey guys, Sam. I'm going to do a quick video on the stock sock installation. The stock sock is nothing more than a modular platform to outfit your gun with whatever really you want. You know, on this one I have a tourniquet, I've got a needle decomp, and some wound packing material. But the world has endless possibilities. You can put anything you want in there. The stock sock is going to come basically set up in this format with the shot cord coming through the bottom two loops right out of the box. It's also going to come with a variety of lengths of shot cord, and then also the cord lock for the shot cord. You're going to need a couple of things. I recommend a good sharp knife or scissors, a Bic lighter, and then some type of tool to assist you in pushing that shot cord through the holes on the modular platform of the stock sock. So next I'm going to go into the actual physical installation, but first, before you do that, go ahead and grab your firearm and, you know, safe and clear it first and foremost. And now we can go into the actual installation. All right, so I'm going to take my stock off. It's easier if you just pop it off the buffer tube like this. Okay, so, and then go ahead and configure it how you want to configure it before you put on the stock sock onto the stock. So I'm going to cut my shot cord to length. The reason I use a lighter is so that I can burn and wick the material and then bring it back over itself so that it doesn't fray too bad. All right, now that it's properly wicked, you can install it in whatever, it's on the grid pattern, so you can install it however you want. You may or may not need the tool. Looks like I'm gonna get lucky, don't need the tool, but if it gets finicky and you need to push it through, definitely use the tool. It's nothing more than a simple granny knot. Just over on top of itself, make a big knot, and you can pull really hard and it's not going to come through the hole, which is nice. But basically, push it back through and do a granny knot on the other side. Yeah, so now I need the tool, no big deal. Go. Granny knot that side. And now it's pretty much set up. If you want to add the other shot cord there in front of it, you can. But then, next step, go ahead and install it on your buttstock or pistol brace. Cool thing about this is it works with most pistol braces. So then, just in you know, shoelace format, run it up through the rungs, all the way up the stock. Once you have it up the stock, like this, what I recommend you do before you go ahead and cinch it down on the cord lock, go ahead and reinstall it on your buttstock, excuse me, your buffer tube. Take your sling, run your sling back up through the sling access point, the square hole, while it's still loose. Then take your cord lock, pull it tight, push the 2 pieces of shock cord through. You can tie that off in another simple knot, and you're ready to rock. Your sling's in there. You've got your shock cord for holding all your gear. Again, it'll come with more shock cords, so you can install it on both sides. And now your rifle is ready to go. So you just grab it and go, and you pretty much run what you brung, but you got a little bit more equipment for whatever comes your way. So that's the stock sock installation. It's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, you can always get in touch with me or the guys at Blue Alpha Gear, and we'll be happy to assist you. But that's the stock sock installation video. Thanks for tuning in.